In a world where housing costs have skyrocketed, leaving many families priced out of the market, Fresno stands as a beacon of hope, a city where the American dream of home ownership is still within reach. With its vibrant communities, diverse cultural offerings, and a thriving job market, Fresno offers a unique opportunity for those seeking a high quality of life without the hefty price tag, where the prospect of owning a spacious, well-appointed home isn't just a distant fantasy, but a tangible reality. In this video, we will be taking a closer look as to why Fresno's affordable housing is an attractive option for prospective residents. This dynamic city is a hub of innovation, with a thriving economy that spans a wide range of industries, from agriculture and healthcare to technology and manufacturing. Whether you're a young professional seeking career advancement or a family looking to put down roots, Fresno offers an ample opportunity to grow, thrive, and build the life you've always envisioned. Before we dive in, take a moment to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos like this. Fresno offers more affordable housing options compared to many other cities in California. The cost of living, including rents and home prices, is generally lower, making it an attractive option for those looking to own property or rent without breaking the bank. Here are details about why Fresno's affordable housing market makes it an attractive option for prospective residents. First off is the affordable home prices. The price range for Fresno's housing market offers a wide range of price points to accommodate various budgets. While prices can vary based on factors such as location, size, and condition of the property, prospective home buyers can find options ranging from entry-level homes priced affordably for the first time, more upscale properties for those seeking more luxurious accommodations. Also, the comparison to state averages, because when compared to the statewide average, Fresno's home prices are notably lower, making home ownership more attainable for individuals and families. This affordability factor is particularly appealing in a state like California, where housing costs in major metropolitan areas can be prohibitively high for many residents. Despite fluctuations in other real estate markets, Fresno's housing prices have historically shown stability, while there may be periodic fluctuations driven by factors such as economic conditions or housing supply. Fresno's housing market generally experiences more gradual and moderate price changes compared to volatile markets in other regions. Not to leave out the availability of starter homes, Fresno's affordable housing market includes a significant inventory of starter homes, which are typically smaller, more modestly priced properties ideal for first-time buyers or those looking to downsize. These homes often feature functional layout and essential amenities, providing an excellent entry point into home ownership for individuals and families. In Fresno's housing market, there may be opportunities for negotiation, particularly for buyers looking to purchase properties below the asking price. Sellers may be willing to entertain offers or provide concessions, allowing buyers to secure favorable terms and potentially save money in their home purchase. For real estate investors, Fresno's affordable home prices present opportunities for investments and potential appreciation. Investors can acquire properties at relatively low prices compared to other markets and benefit from rental incomes or capital gains as property values increase over time. The second reason is the lower property taxes. In addition to affordable housing prices, Fresno residents benefit from relatively lower property taxes compared to other parts of California. This can result in significant savings over time, particularly for homeowners with fixed income or those looking to reduce their housing expenses. Let's take a look at the Proposition 13. California's Proposition 13, passed in 1978, limits property tax increases by capping the assessed value of properties at 1% of their purchase price and restricting annual increase to no more than 2%. This statewide measure provides homeowners with predictability and stability in their property tax bills, including those in Fresno. Also under lower property tax is the effective tax rates. While Fresno's property tax rates are determined by various factors, including local government budgets and voter-approved measures, they generally remain lower than those in many other parts of California. The effective property tax rate in Fresno typically falls below the statewide average, resulting in savings for homeowners. Also is the assessment practices. Fresno County's assessment practices ensure that properties are valued fairly and accurately for tax purposes. The county's assessor's office determines property value based on market conditions, property characteristics, and other relevant factors, helping to maintain transparency and equity in the property tax assessment process. Fresno homeowners may be eligible for various exemptions and deductions that can reduce their property tax burden further. This may include the exemptions for owner-occupied residences, senior citizens, disabled veterans, and other qualifying individuals, providing additional savings and financial relief for eligible homeowners. With lower property taxes, Fresno homeowners can better plan and manage their household budgets, knowing that their property tax bills are likely to remain stable and manageable over time. This predictability allows homeowners to allocate their financial resources effectively and make informed decisions about their housing expenses. Coming in at number 3 as to why Fresno's affordable housing makes it an attractive option for prospective residents is the commute-friendly neighborhoods. Many of Fresno's affordable neighborhoods are located within close proximity to major employment centers, schools, and transportation hubs, making them ideal for commuters. With shorter commute times and lower housing costs, residents can strike a better balance between work, leisure, and family life. Taking a look at the public transit services, Fresno Area Express (FAX) operates an extensive network of bus routes serving the city and surrounding areas, providing residents with affordable and reliable public transportation options. Commute-friendly neighborhoods often have well-served bus stops and transit hubs, allowing their residents to commute to work, school, and other destinations without relying on personal vehicles. Also a bicycle-friendly infrastructure, Fresno is committed to promoting alternative modes of transportation, including cycling. Many commute-friendly neighborhoods feature bike lanes, multi-use trails, and dedicated bike paths, making it safe and convenient for residents to commute bicycle, cycling to work on nearby amenities, not only to reduce traffic congestion, but also to promote physical activity and environmental sustainability. Walkability is a feature of commute-friendly neighborhoods in Fresno, with many areas designed to be pedestrian-friendly. Sidewalks, crosswalks, and pedestrian-friendly amenities such as parks, shopping centers, and restaurants are within walking distance, allowing residents to run errands, commute to work, or enjoy leisurely strolls without relying on a car. Fresno commute-friendly neighborhoods foster a sense of community and collaboration, making carpooling and ride-sharing popular options for residents looking to share rides and reduce their commuting costs. Carpool lanes on major highway and designated ride-share pickup points provide additional incentives for commuters to carpool or use ride-sharing services. In addition to being close to employment centers, commute-friendly neighborhoods in Fresno offers proximity to essential amenities such as grocery stores, pharmacies, schools, parks, and recreational facilities. This convenience enhances residents' quality of life, reduces the need for long-distance travel, and fosters a strong sense of community and belonging. At number 4, as to why Fresno's affordable housing makes it an attractive option for prospective residents is the opportunity for equity building. Investing in a home in Fresno not only provides affordable housing, but also the potential for equity building over time. As property values appreciate and mortgage balances decrease, homeowners can build wealth and financial stability, laying the foundation for a brighter future. Here are more details about how Fresno provides opportunities for equity building through home ownership. Number 1 is mortgage payments. With each mortgage payment, homeowners gradually reduce the principal balance on their loan, which contributes to equity accumulation over time. As more payments are made, a larger portion of each payment goes towards reducing the principal, accelerating the growth of equity in the property. Another is the appreciation potential. Fresno's growing economy and expanding population and strategic location within California's Central Valley position it for continued home price appreciation in the long term. By purchasing property in a market with strong growth potential, homeowners can benefit from future appreciation, further boosting their equity position. Not to forget home improvements and renovations. Making improvements or renovations to a home can increase its market value, thus enhancing equity, whether it's updating the kitchen, remodeling the bathroom, or adding energy-efficient features. Investing in home improvements can yield a significant return on the investment and contribute to long-term equity growth. Also, we have tax benefits. Home ownership in Fresno comes with tax benefits that can further enhance equity building. Mortgage interest payments and property taxes are often tax deductible for homeowners, reducing their overall tax burden and providing additional savings that can be reinvested into the home or used to build equity. Another is the opportunities for refinancing. In periods of low interest rates or when homeowners' credit score improves, refinancing their mortgage can provide an opportunity to lower monthly payments, reduce interest costs, or access equity through a cash-out refinance. By leveraging refinancing options effectively, homeowners optimize their equity building strategy and achieve their financial goals. The fifth reason why Fresno's affordable housing is an attractive option for prospective residents is the diverse housing options. Fresno offers a wide range of housing options to suit different lifestyles and preferences. From historic homes in charming neighborhoods to modern condominiums and suburban developments, there's something for everyone in Fresno's diverse housing market. In more details, let's explore the diverse housing options available in Fresno. First is the new construction developments. Fresno's real estate market includes ongoing new construction developments that offer modern, energy-efficient homes equipped with the latest amenities and design features. These new construction homes appeal to buyers seeking chunky properties with contemporary finishes, open floor plans, and smart home technologies, providing a fresh, updated living experience. Also is the rural retreats. For those seeking a more rural lifestyle, Fresno's outskirts offer opportunities to purchase acreage, ranches, or county estates. These properties provide residents with space, privacy, and tranquility, along with the potential for agricultural pursuits, equestrian activities, or hobby farming, allowing homeowners to enjoy a peaceful retreat from urban life. Another option is the suburban enclaves. Fresno's suburban neighborhood provides a suburban lifestyle characterized by spacious homes, tree-lined streets, and family-friendly amenities. These neighborhoods often feature larger lots, well-maintained parks, top-rated schools, and community events, making them popular choices for families seeking a safe and peaceful environment to raise their children. Lastly are the accessory dwelling units, ADUs. Fresno's housing market has seen an increase in the construction of accessory dwelling units, also known as ADUs or granny flats. These secondary dwellings, typically located on the same property as a primary residence, provide additional housing options for homeowners and rental income opportunities, offering flexibility and affordability for homeowners and renters alike. Fresno's diverse housing options cater to a wide range of preferences, lifestyles, and budgets, allowing residents to find homes that suit their individual needs and aspirations. Overall, Fresno's affordable housing market, coupled with its diverse housing option and relatively low cost of living, makes it an appealing destination for individuals and families looking to establish roots in California without the financial burden associated with living in larger metropolitan areas. With that, we have come to the end of this episode of Iconic Destinations on why Fresno's affordable housing is an attractive option for prospective residents. Hope this information shared with you was beneficial. Please share this video with your friends and hit the like and subscribe button to support our channel for more. See you next time and bye for now.